camera. I know, but this one's much better, and I'm gonna like using it. Gotta run to my mom's, do some errands. I'm gonna drive the 55. I am driving the 55. Hoping and praying it does pretty good. Amen. Some misfires. Loading up a bit too, I'll tell you that much. Really well until you hit a dip or something that really puts the front end under a little bind. I've still got some positive toe. We're cruising. Those cows are living the dream. Well, she's doing small block Chevrolet things. I got my new lug nuts on. Man, look at them nuts. They look good for real. She's handling the heat. Oh, I say that. I just adjusted this. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I drove it all the way to Mom's, drove it all the way home. Did fine, and then I adjusted my idle mixture. I almost feel like it needs a little more timing. Try that. That didn't sound good. This is why I'm trying to test drive this thing. Man, I just drove it for like 35 minutes. Oh, goodness. It's running cool for not having a fan shroud. I don't know. I may throw this jump box on it real quick and see. I've been having a problem with batteries lately. I have to remind myself I'm still running the generator on here from 1955. Flooded it out of here. Huh. Gave her a tickle more time. Ain't got no air filter on it either. Oh, she don't like that. All right, she's still burning rich. I gotta work on that. Hey, Mercy. All right, this company has sent me a very nice articulating bore scope. I've been trying it. I wanted to make sure it was good. I'm gonna throw that in the trash box. It's right here. I actually really enjoy it, and we've been using it. I've ran it in my gas tank on the 68 Buick and a couple things. Let me show you this real quick. I don't like advertising products that I don't like or that are cheap and just garbage. But I have a cheap garbage bore scope in the shop, and I don't advertise it because that's what it is. Check this out. This has got a little bit of fuel on it. It articulates. Watch this. Look at that. And it has a lens you can disconnect. This is very nice. I'll show you this. It's the coolest part. So it connects on, it locks, and you control everything. But it actually stores, it has a memory card. It stores, let me see, all of the footage that you take, which is super. Look at this, I've got it upside down. Talk about quality. Let's take a look down in here. See, I'm trying to look way down yonder. Very nice. Has a light on it, you can adjust it. It does the photos. I'm still figuring it out. I've got a bunch of pictures on here. Yeah, look at that. That's inside the fuel tank the other day on that Buick.
Daddy.
Hold on, Mercy. I'm showing off this camera. What do you think about it?
How did you take a lot of pictures?
Because I did.
Is that a new camera?
It is a new camera.
You already have one.
I know, but this one's much better, and I'm going to like using it. Oh, there's your real review. I'm still learning it. I have not figured out everything on it, and I'm looking forward to it. Comes with some nice accessories, a brush. It's USB-C charging. So if you guys want to check that out, you can try that out. And I'm going to help Mercy get some knee pads so we can get back to playing. Appreciate it. Big thank you to them. We'll be using this in the future and probably today, but you won't see that in today's video. We are cruising. What gear are you in, Mercy? Okay. Is it really? I cut every bit of that with a lawnmower. No, most of it's 5. Mercy, right side, right side. I am videoing because one day we're going to look back and enjoy watching. All right, Mercy, shift up with your pointer finger. Catch up to mama. Pedal, 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 pedal. Take it to 7.